In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Vietnam with no fees using Sendwave. If you're looking to make an international money transfer without incurring additional costs, you're in the right place. We'll make this process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive into the details. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Sendwave website. It's the platform we'll be using to facilitate this fee-free transaction. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign up button. Click on this to begin creating your Sendwave account. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it. You'll need to fill in some basic information to register. Choose Vietnam as your destination country for the transfer. This step is crucial for ensuring your details are accurately logged and directed to the right location. Once you've completed the form, you'll receive a verification code either by text or email. Enter this code to verify your new account. Verification is an essential part of this process, helping to keep your transactions secure. With your account verified, return to the homepage and log in with your email address and password. You'll now be directed to your dashboard. Here, take a moment to navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and you'll see the Enter Promo Code option. If you have a promotional code, now's the time to use it. Enter your code and click Apply. This will ensure that any eligible promotions are activated on your account, potentially offering further savings. Once that's sorted, return to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to add a recipient. To do this, find the Add a Recipient option. Enter the full name of the person in Vietnam who will receive the money. Be sure to double check their details for accuracy, as any mistakes could delay the transfer. Next, type in the amount you wish to send and hit the Send button. You'll then need to add your payment method details. Don't worry, Sendwave's platform is secure, providing peace of mind as you enter sensitive information. Click Continue once your payment method is added. You'll be prompted to fill in your legal name and date of birth, and then click on Finish to seal the basic identity verification process. To complete your setup, select a document for verification, such as a passport or ID card. Choose the issuing country for this document and confirm if the card is readable. All that's left after verifying your identity is to submit for verification. Sendwave may take a moment to verify your details. Once verified, you'll reach the final confirmation stage. Carefully review your transaction details and, when you're satisfied, click on Confirm Transfer to initiate the money transfer process. And there you have it, a seamless, fee-free process to send money to Vietnam using Sendwave. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on efficient digital transactions.